everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to just do a little sit down video and talk about 5 tips for newbies in the gym. This is for people who are thinking about, joining a gym and starting to go regularly, or someone who's like only just gone a few times and they're kind of still a little bit unsure about themselves. So I know like going to the gym for the first time, or one of the first times can be kind of intimidating, but it doesn't have to be. So my first tip for you all is don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, don't be intimidated. I think a lot of times newbies at the gym, they might feel like people are judging them, people might be looking at them like, oh, they don't know what they're doing, like, oh, they don't have like the gym body or something like that. That's not the case. People at the gym are like super focused on themselves and what they're doing, their own workout. I mean, like, you see people at the gym like lifting gigantic weights and breaking into this crazy sweat because they're working so hard. Like, they're paying attention to their workout. They're not focusing on you. And if they are focusing on you, they're a jerk. So you don't have to worry about them anyway. The next thing about going to the gym is don't be afraid to ask for help. Now, I know, like, you might not want to, like, talk to anybody and, feel like you're bothering someone or anything like that. Like, I know, like, from experience, like, I might not know how to use some of the equipment, like, when I first started going to the gym, I might not have known how to use some of the equipment, and I was always afraid to ask for help and, like, staring at, like, the little instructions on the weight equipment, like, what am I supposed to do here? I don't get it. So in that case, I would recommend going to the front desk people, or like the fitness floor staff, and asking them to help you out, because that's what they're there for. Like, they don't just sit at the desk and just like stare at you. Like, some gyms have like staff that are actually on the floor whose job it is to help you, and then other gyms, like, they have multiple front desk staff, where like someone comes and like walks around the gym and is available to help. So if you are a newbie in the gym, do not be afraid to ask those people for help. Ask them to help you use the equipment, and you can ask them to help spot you or anything like that. So that is what they are there for, and they won't judge you if you ask them for help. The third tip for newbies in the gym is don't be trying to flirt with everybody in the gym. Okay? Like, people come to the gym to work out, to focus on themselves, to try to reach their fitness goals. Like, I'm pretty sure that 99.9% of the people that come to the gym are not trying to pick up a date. So this goes for guys and girls. Like, don't be in there trying to flirt with every hot person that you see. This is not the club. This is the gym. This is not the place for that. Alright, so the next tip for people that are new to the gym is to try different things that the gym has to offer. Don't go straight to the treadmill or the ellipticals and like do like an hour run or something like that every time you go to the gym, or don't go straight to like the weightlifting area and do that every single time you go to the gym. Like, there are so many things that different gyms offer. Like, step off the treadmill and try like different workout equipment, different types of weights, things like that. Or, put down the weights, like go like try some cardio things, or, try the bicycles, or And then like they have different gyms have most gyms have different group exercise classes that you can try. So, you know, it might be kind of intimidating to go into a group exercise class for the first time, but like that's what it's for. It's for you to go and have a great time, have a fun workout and meet new people. So definitely try group exercise classes. I'm not just saying that because I'm a group exercise instructor. I'm saying that because trying group exercise classes is a really, really great way to get a good workout. And, you know, try different instructors and different classes as well. Like, I wish I had the time to go to more classes than I do. Like, occasionally I'll go to another instructor's class, but definitely go to different group exercise instructors, different group exercise classes, try different things. And then you can also try personal training. Like, most gyms have a few different personal trainers, and if that's something that you're interested in, then you can give that a try as well. Alright, so my fifth and final tip for newbies at the gym is to be consistent. Like, you're more than likely joining the gym because you have some type of goals you want to achieve, whether that's weight loss, whether that's gaining muscle and strength, or gaining endurance and stamina, or something like that. You're joining the gym because you have a goal that you want to achieve. And you're not going to achieve that by just going to the gym like every once in a while, you know, or, you know, going like once every few weeks and like sitting at home like, oh, I don't really feel like going to the gym today. So just try to establish a routine for yourself. Maybe like make it a goal to go to the gym like 2 to 3 times a week for a certain amount of time. Set out a certain set of exercises that you want to do each day. And if you go consistently, then you will inevitably achieve your goals. So those are all of the tips that I have for newbies at the gym. I was once a newbie, so I know how it feels, and hopefully you found this video helpful. And make sure to subscribe, like, and comment any other types of videos, fitness related videos, or any other type of video that you want to see. And I will see you next time. Bye.